In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create a transparent splash text effect in Canva, where the background shows through bold letters for a textured, artistic look. Begin by choosing a background with strong texture or color variation. Watercolor, concrete, or pattern images work especially well because the multiplied blend mode will reveal those details inside your text. Position the background so the most interesting area sits behind where your headline will appear. Add your main text using a bold, chunky font to give the effect plenty of space. Set the text fill to white and add a black outline. This is important because Multiply treats white as invisible but keeps darker edges visible. Adjust the outline thickness to maintain clarity once the effect is applied. Next, search the Elements tab for splash, splatter, or paint graphics. Place them over and around your text, mixing sizes and rotations for a messy, natural look. Put some splashes behind the text and some on top to create depth, aiming for a painted-on feeling rather than simple decoration. Once your composition looks complete, download the design as a PNG, preferably with a transparent background, and re-upload it into Canva. This flattens everything into one clean layer so you don't have to manage multiple overlapping elements. Place the PNG back onto your background. Open the Blend Image app, choose Multiply, and the white areas will vanish while the background shines through the letters. Adjust intensity if needed, or refine the background's brightness and contrast to enhance readability. For subtle polish, you can add soft animations like a gentle pan or fade. That's the full workflow: bold white text with a black outline, splash graphics, export as PNG, re-upload, and blend with Multiply to achieve a clean, transparent splash effect ready for posters, thumbnails, or social visuals.